Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got all dressed up so that I could clean my apartment. No, I actually, I am choking on my hair. Great, excellent start to the video. No, I've actually got stuff to do this afternoon, but in the short amount of time that I have, I thought I would start cleaning my apartment. I want to do another deep clean motivation video for you because I can see the dust starting to settle on all of the bench tops here and I want to clean them all up, put everything away that needs to be put away. My apartment is actually pretty tidy. It's just starting to get a few things out of place and just that dust that really needs to go. So I'm gonna start today. I'm gonna get as much done as I can and then tomorrow we'll come back in and finish off the deep clean. The bathroom actually really needs it. These are my tunes for cleaning. I've got some Matchbox 20 and some 90s hits. I'm not actually sure if this song is from the 90s, but whatever, close enough. It's looking so much better, dust free, which is nice. I have a couple more cushions in my bedroom that I need to go and get and bring out here. How beautiful is the afternoon sun in here? I absolutely love it. I'm gonna get in and definitely clean the kitchen. I really need to wipe down the cooktop. I actually haven't done it for quite a while and there's like a lot of food splatter. So I'm gonna do that and then I think after I've done the kitchen I might have to be done for today and come back and do the rest tomorrow. That's about as far as I'm getting today, so I will leave it here and I will get back to you tomorrow. It is not the next day, it's actually many days later because I've just not had a chance to get back in and keep cleaning. So today I have a chance and I'm gonna get stuck in and finish what I started. I'm gonna unpack the dishwasher and just tidy up the kitchen. It's not as bad as what it was the other day. And then I'm gonna definitely do the bathroom, my bedroom, a lot of vacuuming, and yeah, just finish this up. So next up, I'm going to be doing this little entry table. This really needs some work, and these flowers, oh my gosh, the water is so gross looking. I really need to cut them. I just put them straight into the vase. It's been like a week and I just haven't had a chance to cut them, and then the rest as you can see, is a pretty big mess. It's so dusty, laid up with lots of dust. And I haven't finished styling this yet, but I'm just gonna do my best and just give it a bit of a clean because it really needs it. Man, I cut off a lot of leaves. Does anyone know though where I can take green waste? Living in an apartment, we don't have a green waste bin, so I'm just not really sure where I can take these instead of putting them in the bin. And here's the flowers. They look so much better. The water's definitely going to stay a lot cleaner, so I'm really, really happy with them. It's not the best arrangement. I'm not a professional, but look, I tried and I think it came together nicely. And then I also have these little flowers I got on Monday last week. Actually, these flowers are lasting so long, so I'm just really loving fresh flowers in my home. Anyway, I need to get on and clean and dust this off. So this is my little entry table. It's actually mostly filled with crystals because I don't really know where else to put them. And then behind it, I keep my keys and my shopping bags. And when you walk back, you actually can't see them, which I really, really like. And then just on the other side, I have a little Dior bag, a gold candlestick and a candle from H&M. And then my flowers, which I think came together nicely. So that's my finished haul table. As I said, I haven't really had a chance to style it up properly since moving in. I really like the top shelf. I think that looks great. The underneath shelf, I'm not really sure on. I don't really like this yellow thing, but it's just there for now. Definitely love the decanter though, that's beautiful. Have some magazines on the other side and a little candle. And then down the bottom, I just have my handbags, the two handbags that I use the most. I added this little orange cheetah thingy from H&M as well, just to tie in the orange of the flowers. It's a very yellow and orange little entry table right now, which I actually really quite like. I'm liking adding pops of color into my home because I feel that it's a little bit different to what I would normally go, so it's nice. I like to mix and match and play around. This corner has become a bit of a mess. I need to unpack my uni bag. I have two clothes racks of clothes that needs to be folded and put away. And then I have my pattern blocks. These are all of the pattern blocks I have for uni. There is always so many supplies and bits and pieces that come with this degree, and it's actually very frustrating because I'm running out of space, but I need to clean this up. I just need to make my bed and tidy up a few things in here. This is my bathroom situation. It's the last thing that I'm going to clean today. I just have stuff that was never put away in the first place, so it needs to go back into the cupboards, and then I think I'll give everything a wipe down and a bit of a clean. That's my cleaning motivation video for you. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Up the top here you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.